We are at the International Fitness Sports and Health Festival 2022, organized by Steadfast Nutrition in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. We have with us Mr. Aman Puri, the director of Steadfast Nutrition. Welcome to 10 News, sir.
Thank you.
So first I would like to ask you, what is new and unique in this edition of IHFF, and what are you offering to the people in this, growing competitive fitness market?
So the Delhi show is happening after 2019. That is one of the biggest thing because this is the first event happening after COVID. And there's a lot of new enthusiasm of the people because a lot of people were willing to come and compete, and there was no big show like this happening in last couple of years. And what we have brought in new is we have launched some new products here for the people, for the masses. Along with that, we are trying to get in more and more athletes. So we have 3 more athletes who are competing this time for Steadfast, and we are hoping that they'll be getting some medals and even the pro card.
Definitely, sir. And were there some challenges or concerns that you had while organizing this event?
Yes, the challenges has always been there when you're the presenting partner for such a prestigious show, which is at the Asia's biggest show. But it is all up to your hard work and the smart work which you do that all the challenges can be overcome. So yes, all the hurdles have been crossed by Steadfast so far.
And so, like in today's time, the government is significantly, contributing towards the growth and development of the fitness and the sports industry. So how satisfied are you with those measures, and what more needs to be done?
So I personally have been an athlete myself. I was competing in the sport of mountain biking, and I've seen the growth of the sports facilities provided in the country. Yes, we're not still there. There's a lot to be achieved, but every year there's something or the other happening by the government. Say the infrastructure is improving, the number of coaches are increasing, the coach are getting more expert, and there's a lot of things which are happening with the support of the government. So I would say I'm very satisfied, but yes, there's a long way to go for us as a country in the making India the sports capital of the world.
And so, any one field that is in urgent need of the government's attention in the sports industry?
So till now, cricket has been the mainstream sport. I personally feel there's a bodybuilding show, but then a sport like hockey, which is a national sport, should be given a little more encouragement so that cricket is going to be there at the top. I'm not saying that replace it, but then we have to motivate the other sports because athletes are there for so many that we as Steadfast we are supporting 35 plus sporting categories played in the country. So we are trying to be neutral with all the sports, but yes, apart from cricket, hockey should be one of the sports, and then of course bodybuilding because it's also very tough as a sport, and it's mentally and physically both exhausting. So these sports has to be given a boost by the government.
I totally agree with you, sir, because apart from cricket, football and these mainstream sports, there are a lot of other, athletic sports, gymnasiums and certain other, you can say sports that needs attention. And with initiative like this festival, I think awareness will be created and people will be encouraged to, showcase these sports. Thank you so much for talking to 10 News, sir. I'm Shelly Agarwal and you're watching 10 News.